specialists.
I'm Gretchen Driscoll, and I approve this message.
For the first time ever, we're seeing a patient with cystic fibrosis benefit from a new series of medications.
And it's changing the quality of their life to the extent that they can live longer and healthier lives. Our Melissa Vage has one local man story tonight. Melissa.
Lee and Diane, cystic fibrosis used to be a fatal disease at a very young age, and while it's still very chronic and very serious in patients, we are starting to see some real and significant changes to the quality of their life thanks to this new medication.
Start suffering until...
Sean Murray is an avid fan of mixed martial arts and is working toward a spot in the ring someday.
I usually work out like anywhere from, 3 to 4 hours a day, about 6 days a week.
But over the last 25 years or so, he has been engaged in a different kind of fight. Sean has cystic fibrosis.
I say that, forget the sky, there is no limit. When it comes to your body, and a life, altering illness that is, a life expectancy of, 35, 34, you kind of you take that and you use it to your advantage to become stronger.
Sean is on a new medication for cystic fibrosis patients called Symdeco.
It's absolutely a game changer.
ProMedica pulmonologist Dr. Bruce Barnett says this is one of 3 new medications for CF.
Everything is now very specific to the class of cystic fibrosis that you have.
Symdeco can be used for patients with the most common form of cystic fibrosis. They carry 2 out of the 3 genetic abnormalities that cause the disease.
This works because there's 2 components to it. One unfolds the gene, one opens the chloride channel.
Freeing up lung airways. The new medication has improved Sean's lung function to 66%.
It hasn't given me back 100% of my life, but it has given me close to where I can make that percentage of lung function my new 100%.
Sean says he will be strong enough to fulfill his life dream of fighting MMA fighter Conor McGregor, just to raise awareness, he says, about cystic fibrosis across the ring from his idol, in many ways beating a lifelong opponent that Sean refuses to let take him out.
There's not one thing you can tell me that's going to doubt me or that's going to take my, my dreams away from me or take away my ambition from fighting my illness.
We are told by doctors that there are 11 new cystic fibrosis medications in the testing phase that are expected to continue to make drastic improvements in the lives of these people suffering from this disease. Reporting live, Melissa Vage, 13 ABC Action News. Back to you.
All right, Melissa, thanks. Well, it's a story of star-crossed lovers in the 16th century.
Romeo and Juliet getting some new life.